Alright, very quickly in this lecture we will plot a histogram of standard normal distribution. Let's see how to do that. The drill is pretty simple. I'm sure now you are well versed with that, but let me tell you once again, we have a complete HTML code, the standard one. We add the JS and CSS of the PyScript. Under the PyN, we import the modules where we are importing the NumPy and Matplotlib here. And then we go to the body. If you are required to put up a heading, do it under H1, H2, etc. And then use the output if you want. If you are using output, use the div ID and close the div over there. And under the PyScript, write the code that will generate the plot. So over here, we are importing the Matplotlib PyPlot, and we are also importing the NumPy. We are giving a random seed and then a random standard normal distribution. And then finally, we are plotting it and applying it to a figure. That's it, pretty simple. Now what I'll do is right click, open with live server, and this will open up my default browser and will display the histogram of standard normal distribution. For that, I have written the code. Amazing and simple. You have the output on screen and you know how easy it was to do that if you are well versed with Python already. So this was it. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.